All right, if you just signed up for Llama Logic, thank you so much. You don't know what to do, let's walk through it. So this can be on any web page on Chrome. Click the extensions button or the little puzzle piece right there, and any extension that you have downloaded will come up on this page. So Llama Logic right here. You can click this to open up Llama Logic, but if you close it, it'll go away and you won't see it anymore. What you can do is click this little pin that'll pin it to the top there, so it's always going to be visible. This is imperative to get the most out of Llama Logic here. So let's click this and we're going to sign in really quick. All right, so we are signed in now, and you can see here, this is my account, Pro, sign out, manage. All of your account stuff is right here. If this still says free, even though you've paid or upgraded, go to your settings, scroll all the way down and sync subscription. Click that and it'll refresh with the back end and show that you are actually a paid user, if you are. When you initially sign in for the first time, make sure that you are signed into your Amazon stuff. That way it can pick up all of your info here. So your associate tag, creator name, vendor code, creator ID, storefront handle, it'll automatically get all that stuff. If it doesn't, you can click detect. We'll just delete that there and then click detect, and it is going to find that associate tag if you're signed in. So make sure you are signed in and it'll do all that. Manage, and this is going to open up Stripe, and so you can see all of your Stripe information. Down here, manage subscription, that'll do the same thing. You can go in and you can delete or whatever you need to do. Reset password will send you an email so you can reset your password. I believe that is all the first, enable extension. This is on. If it's off, it won't show up anywhere. So you'll have to re-enable it. And then show PDP panel, that is the panel for an item page. Let's just go to this item page here. And so this is your PDP panel. And if you turn that off, it goes away and you won't see it. So if you don't see that ever, make sure that that is enabled there so that shows and you can actually see it. So other things to do when you initially sign in for the first time is you want to make sure that this does render, and then not all of these things are going to show up. So if there is very little information, it's not going to pop up. Like this information over here is not popping up for some reason. It's probably not present on the page. But what we can do is we can go to another product here. Let's click on this one. And there you go. So this information is popping up now. How many bought a month and upper and lower carousels, all this stuff. So we'll go over all this in a different video, but just make sure that this stuff is popping up for you and the items in your settings are popping up, and you should be good to go. There shouldn't be any issues. I say shouldn't, but stuff happens. So anyway, stay tuned for the next video where we'll go through more in depth some other stuff. Anyway, appreciate it.